Hey everyone, welcome back to USA Dream Vehicles, the channel where your dream rides come to life. Today, we're diving into the refined, luxurious, and undeniably stylish 2025 Lexus ES350. A car that continues to set the standard in the midsize, luxury sedan segment. If you're looking for that perfect blend of elegance, technology, comfort, and reliability, stay right here, because Lexus might have just nailed it again. Exterior design, the sophisticated statement. Let's start with the first thing that catches your eye, the exterior. The 2025 ES350 brings a refreshed look that's sleek, bold, and classically Lexus. The signature spindle grille returns, but it's now more refined with intricate mesh detailing that adds a modern flair. Flanking it are sharp, angular LED headlamps with triple beam lighting that look aggressive, yet elegant. The profile remains long and athletic, with smooth sculpting along the body, chrome accents on the windows, and available 19-inch alloy wheels that give it that upscale feel. Around the back, you get beautifully redesigned tail lamps with a full-width LED bar that adds presence, especially at night. In short, it's a showstopper in motion. Interior design, a cabin of calm and class step. Inside the 2025 Lexus ES350, and you're greeted with what can only be described as a sanctuary on wheels. Premium materials are everywhere, from the hand-stitched leather seats to the open-pore wood trim and soft touch dash. Lexus offers several interior color schemes, including rich saddle tan and sleek black with contrasting stitching. In the center, you'll find a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen with the latest Lexus interface infotainment system. It's cleaner, quicker, and more responsive than ever. Plus, it now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats, absolutely plush, with available heated, ventilated, and power-adjustable front seats and optional semi-aniline leather. Comfort is off the charts. Rear passengers also get generous legroom, making the ES a perfect pick for long commutes or chauffeured rides. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and a Mark Levinson surround sound system take the luxury experience even higher. Performance. Smooth power meets quiet confidence. Under the hood, the 2025 ES350 keeps things familiar, but for a good reason. It features a 3.5-litre V6 engine, pushing out 302 horsepower and 267 lb-ft of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's not a track monster, but it was never meant to be. What it is, though, is buttery smooth, silent, and supremely composed. It delivers strong acceleration when needed, while also being whisper quiet on the highway. Fuel economy is solid too. Expect around 22 mpg city, book 32 mpg highway. And yes, you can opt for F-Sport design or F-Sport handling if you want a little extra spice, with adaptive dampers and a sportier ride without sacrificing luxury. Safety. Lexus leads the way. When it comes to safety, Lexus doesn't play around. The 2025 ES350 comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, which includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection lane tracing, assist road sign, assist dynamic radar, cruise control automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert heights loaded to the brim with tech that protects, warns, and even assists in steering. The result? One of the safest sedans you can buy today. Overall impression, a quiet revolution. So what's the verdict on the 2025 Lexus ES350? It's a car that doesn't scream for attention, but it earns your respect with elegance, dependability, and comfort. It's not chasing trends, it's mastering them. This isn't just a luxury sedan, it's a statement of refined taste. For those who want premium quality without the pretense, the ES350 remains a top-tier choice in 2025 and wrap up. If you're looking for a car that offers luxury without drama, technology without clutter, and performance without fuss, the 2025 Lexus ES350 should definitely be on your shortlist. What do you think about the new ES350? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this over a BMW 5 Series or Mercedes E-Class? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss more dream cars coming your way. Thanks for watching USA Dream Vehicles, where your next dream ride is just a click away. Catch you in the next video.